Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a pound currency symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pound currency symbol on your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show in this video. So to insert the pound currency symbol, so if you're just clicking on if you're just searching for the insert option and to the insert symbol, there is no insert option on your WPS presentation mobile. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. Here I just using my Google keyboard. You can just download this keyboard from the Play Store. To download this Google keyboard from the Play Store, and here I just going to use this as an alternative. Click on this number section. Now you can just long press here and you can find the pop-up here. So here you can see every symbols are here. This is the pound symbol that you can just easily insert. The another way, click on this as a more symbol option here. So here you can just directly insert the pound currency symbol. So this is the two way that you can insert the pound currency symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.